Hi, my name is Jackie, and today we're going to try to light ice on fire. Thank you so much for watching all our Quick Science videos. We appreciate it so much. The Quick Science crew will be on a short vacation, but we'll be returning with new episodes beginning in August. In the meantime, look out for our new series called Summer Break with Bree Price. And don't forget to subscribe.
Jimmy, that's a bad idea. Go dump it out. That's a bad idea.
No. Leave it.
No, it's a bad idea. There's a lot down there. I'm serious. That's a bad idea. Jimmy, I'm serious. It's a bad idea. Go dump it outside. There's a lot of water down on the bottom. Jimmy, go dump it outside. Oh my God. Jimmy, go do something.
Wait, it's almost done. It's almost done. It's done, Jackie. Open the garage.